Come now? Okay, one. You put it on video?
Come now, quick on. See when you put your thing there, take that.
Jesus Christ.
Hold it up and get to your side up night tree. And come back down to him out again and watch him move. Take your time and watch him. See him bring up in head there? Look at it. This is a snake, a huge snake we found on the property today. You found Vice?
Yeah.
Yeah man, lovely looking snake. It's so scary. My God, it could have swallowed me. Look at this. This is Jamaica, Portland, Long Bay. Wow. You should see this guy. Pretty as gold, but just as dangerous. Now you just take this wonderful view of this mammoth of a snake that we found on our property here in Portland, Long Bay, Jamaica. Wow. Just look at this guy. My God, yes. Oh, man, this guy could swallow 10 of us at once. But glory to the Almighty. We got him before he got us. Look at him. Wow, I have no idea, but I just stopped him from moving, but I can tell you, man. Wow, look at this guy, I tell you. Just look at him. This one is scary. This is the third one we found actually, but this is the hugest one. Ooh, wow. My God. Look at its mouth open. Ooh. This guy could swallow 10 of us, I'm telling you. You don't doubt us. Because this is once in a lifetime thing. Oh, look at it. Just marvelous. Look at it. Perfectly picture. Oh my God. Just look. This one is about, let's say it's about 15 feet long. Just look at it. 15 feet in length. It almost swallowed me this morning. But the Almighty was there. And I got it before it got me. Out.